We are back with the close-up coins games. Now, there's 5 pictures of 50p coins in this video, and this is definitely the hardest one we have ever done. Simple, maybe, maybe not. All you need to do is comment the 5 commemorative coins in the comment section. Now, they're all UK circulated coins. It's going to take some work, this. We're going to leave it open till Sunday at 6 p.m. No hints, unfortunately, going to help you out here. Everyone that gets it correctly, your names will go into a bowl. We're going to give all of these coins to one lucky winner. Now, don't just go copying everyone else. Sometimes the first person might get it wrong. Everyone copies them, and then you all go, Now, I've only ever beat you once, but maybe, just maybe, I might be able to beat you again. Again, you've got until Sunday to look through them, get your guesses in. Maybe it's easier than that. Some of them are definitely easier to work out than others. Maybe not this next one, though. Again, any coin questions, queries, get them in as well. But we just need a list of the 5 coins in the comment section. Fingers crossed you can get them all correct. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.